Cleaning supply carts and rolling trash cans can cut travel time and keep teams focused on cleaning instead of hauling gear. For efficient implementation, pick equipment that matches your building layout and team size. Use rolling brute trash cans with caddy bags to consolidate trash collection and store replacement liners so technicians do not need to return to a supply closet frequently. If supply carts are preferred, choose a model with modular compartments for microfiber cloths, color-coded buckets, and lockable chemical storage to meet safety rules and prevent spills. Load carts so high use items sit at waist height to avoid bending and reduce fatigue over a long shift. Train staff on one standardized layout so anyone can step into any cart and know where each item lives without asking. Maintain a weekly restock and inspection checklist to replace worn casters, frayed mop heads, and low chemical levels before they cause delays. For multi-floor buildings, stage a cart or a set of rolling cans at predictable landing points to minimize stair or elevator time and consider lightweight materials to ease movement. The three most common mistakes are overloading equipment, which causes frequent breakdowns and slows employees. Fix it by setting weight limits and using multiple lighter loads rather than one heavy one. Another issue is poor organization, which creates searching and wasted minutes. Solve that with color-coded zones, labeled bins, and a single standardized layout across all carts. The last common concern is ignored maintenance like flat wheels and loose handles, which degrade mobility. Schedule routine inspections and keep a small parts kit so technicians can make fast field repairs. We host bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work in their area. We also run a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share practical tips on tools, equipment layouts, and workflow ideas to make office cleaning more productive for everyone.